Hello traders, welcome back to Day Trade. I hope you can hear me clearly. So today we are trading gold. The New York session as a New York equity session just started over here around 7 p.m. And as you can see, it has made a perfect triangle, and now it's moving away from that triangle, breaking away. It's a very tight range, you can see. So I'm hoping for them to go ahead and trap some more traders into this. And over here you can see the breakout structure happening, right? On the 15 minute, it has just broken out yesterday's high, Monday's high, right? This week high, made a peak formation low in the London session, and the trade which I took in the London session, and I posted on my Telegram channel as well. Let me just show you. So I posted this in my Telegram channel. I opened the trade over here, and again it was, I closed the trade after taking 2.5 r profit. I could have holded this trade, but I booked my profit over here, and as you can see, market has moved significantly higher than my target. My maximum target was this green line over here, right? uh, but as you can see, I booked earlier because my target was achieved 50 pips, and you know after that, I'm coming back in the New York session and trading with you guys live. And as you can see, market just broke out of this triangle. I'm not taking any trades because the signal is not clear over here, and it was just making higher highs and higher lows. This is not a way where we can go into a trade completely with good confidence. That is why I'm looking forward to wait for the trades to occur, right? So on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that there is an inside bar after the brink session opening time, and now when the equity session opens, it just goes above. Now we have another peak formation over here on the 15-minute time frame, and let me just mark that this is where the peak formation is there, and there is also money. And after the break of structure over here, we can see that it can definitely range in this market, and definitely it can take out this, and we will look for our trade after it breaks out this range, which is 3250, right? So in the meantime, we'll wait and see what's happening. So we have an ascending triangle, which is basically a continuation trade setup. But I do not trade chart patterns as much, so I'm waiting. But those of you who trades, they could have entered. Let me just mark that over here, and they could have put their stop losses below this. Let me just mark that as well. Uh, yeah, definitely they could have put their SL over here, and it has definitely gone 3x out of this range. As you can see, not 3x, but definitely it has gone to 1 2x of that range, and they could have capitalized on that move, and it is coming back down to the entry point or the breakout, as you can say, the breakout point. So we'll be looking for trades if the market either breaks this low or this high, right? That is where our entry or edge is, right? That is why waiting is the most important part in the trading arena, and we'll do that. We'll sit on our hands and look for some other setups. Let's just go ahead and look out for in BTC trade if there is any setups present. As you can see, it has, okay, it is breaking down. So there was a prediction on the BTC from me, which was for the shorts. Uh, like I predicted this, that there is a, high and low, and then there is this two inside bars, and as you can see, it has induced over here, and this is where the target should have been, because it has broken out of this range, and it has definitely took out this. So this is where the shorts are stepping in the market on the Bitcoin. And if you go and look on the lower time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, it was on Monday Asian session where uh, breakouts happen, you know. It was on Sunday, but it was not very significant with less volume. But on Monday in the Asian session, it has gone and break above, and as you can see, a straight drop. And then there was this setup in the London session, a chop, inducement, boom, go above, right? Now today also could have been a great setup or trade in the Asian market, in the Bitcoin. So I am hoping for the market to go ahead and break this low, that is on the base of daily time frame. Okay, this is where the target should be, the first target, like TP1 and TP2, right? TP1 and TP2 for me, for the Bitcoin, this is where uh, price is 1 lakh, like, and this is where 1 and 101, right? So we'll hope. And like, I'm not I have traded, I booked on Monday some profits on this. I shorted, uh, I shorted in here, right? And I booked some profit, and then the market gone above, consolidated for a bit, and in the New York session equity market, it has blown up. So this is all trap for me. I'm not trading this, but definitely I could have traded in London, but I did not trade Bitcoin because it's inside. I was mostly focused on gold, right? So I guess Bitcoin is also giving us a good trade setup. Let me just go ahead and lower time frame, and let's look what setup it is giving, or what could have we taken, right? So dumping lower lows, lower highs. Uh, bring session open. peak formation created, right? Okay, peak formation, boom, peak formation, another peak formation. Let's look at the low. 104531, 104531, 104531.8 and point 1, point 0.8. So another peak formation over here, and we could have gotten a decent entry over here on the break of this low, right? 1 2 3. Okay, not a great trade, but still we could have capitalized some or scalped some profits out of this trade. And on the London, on the gold setup also, this is not a great setup. This is not a 5-star setup for me. Still waiting for a setup to appear. It might give me in the session. If not, I'm not trading the gold market today. In the New York session, I already have capitalized in the London session. A good trade over here, 2.5 risk reward ratio. Uh, so for now, let's wait. Game of waiting begins, right? So guys, we'll wait for the market to break above this high. As you can see, it has taken out the liquidity zone. It was not a breakout structure, but there was actual liquidity and money stops, whatever you call it, was there, and it has just taken out and that gone above. As you can see, after that there was this ascending triangle, and which is a continuation setup. After this continuation setup, you can see market hasn't just gone above, and we could have entered around here in the after the New York equity session opened on this candle. After there was a inside bar low got broken, but there was not the entry trigger for me. That was, I did not took it because of it, but those of you, again I'm telling, those of you who's trading chart patterns, they could have taken this easy money. So I will wait for, I'm waiting for the market to go above and break this high, right? And it has, then we'll look for some entry. So guys, I have some work to do, and if I got any trade, I'll just update this on my Telegram channel and will review that trade if I've got any in the next stream, or I'll make a video. Uh, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care.